Hello dear users, I'm EURUSDJPY and I'll continue with our tutorials about creating expert advisors. In the previous episode we saved our strategies for EURUSD market and we started 3 instances of the generator for the other 3 major symbols: Great Britain USD, USD Swiss franc and USDJPY. We started these generators, but from yesterday I restarted the generator several times in order to find better and more strategies. When the generators are running, they pushes strategies in a collection. Here, before starting the generator, we can write the collection name, and I set a different collection for every symbol. And now I have 3 collections here. Now this generator stopped Great Britain USD, but these 2 are still running. But it's not a problem, I can stop this. And I work only with the collections. A collection contains maximum up to 100 strategies. And these strategies are arranged internally by net balance. So we have here 100 strategies, and we have strategy with the minimum balance and one with the maximum balance. When a generator finds a new strategy, if this new strategy has a higher balance than the minimum, it pushes the generator pushes the strategy here in the collections, and the program removes the last strategy, so we have maximum 100. And taking that into account, we understand that we can run a generator multiple times. Every time the generator starts from the beginning, but when it finds a strategy, if the strategy accomplishes all criteria, the generator will push this strategy in the repository. So it's not a problem, we can restart the generator several times. I'll close that, because I'm sure all these strategies are collected in the repository. Okay. And now I have 3 repositories, 3 collections. And first, to be sure I'm not going to lose the strategies, I will save the repos of the collections. Why that? When I'm saving the collections, they are saved in a strategy folder of the program. I can see the strategy folder from File, User Files folder, Strategies, and these are the collections. They have a call, it comes from collection extension. So these are my 4 collections. And let's start with USDJPY, the first one. How I can use the collection? For here I can sort the strategies by a criteria. The default one is the net balance. And here I can select how many strategies to see. Let's see the top 30 strategies. So I also can use different filters. But let's see what I have here. These are sorted by net balance. When I click on a strategy, the program loads the strategy and shows here the strategy sorts, and also the program recalculates the strategy and shows the full statistics here and the actual balance. What we see here is the balance line calculated by generator, but the generator may use a different historical data or out of sample, and this balance may not be actual. So when I select a strategy here, the program loads the historical data, the last data we have, and calculates the full stats. So what I see here in the right part of the screen is the latest, the real balance and real stats using the latest data I have. And let's see what I have for USDJPY. what is that strategy? It doesn't look very well. I see here it has a all number of deals, and how many is this? How many days? This starts somewhere in on 17th of October and closes somewhere on 17th of November. It keeps this position 1 month. Maybe this is a trend following system. I see here a big period of stagnation, and here the bounces jumps up and down. I don't like this strategy too much. Let's see the strategy slots. We opening at previous bar closing. We have momentum, percent change, day of month. Day of month. Why I have day of month? Let's open this strategy in a new tab. I'll double click that strategy. Let's see what we have. Day month. Day of month. Open. It means enter the market between this the specified days from 12 to 20. So this strategy opens only 8 days. Open a positions only during these 8 days. Let's remove that indicator to see what will happen with the strategy. It makes much more deals, but Control Z to return. But I see that the performance drops. Okay, previous bar closing. Let's try with bar opening. It's the same, so it's safe to change. Excuse me. Bar opening. What I have? I have a winner adding. Winner means that the strategy adds to a position when the previous position, the current position is winning at the moment. Let's try without adding or with simple adding. Okay, now it's better. Envelopes, we're closing it. Is it long at lower band? Deviation 201. Why? Let's try with 2. Okay, average period 25 is okay. Let's try with simple. Nothing changes. Okay, and let's try winner. Nothing. Winner. I think winner. Winner is okay. Let's try to improve that. We have here a filter, momentum empty. Smoothing method, smoothed. Base price median. Let's check with simple. I'm trying with different options, and I have two purposes here. The first one is to see how the strategy performance changes when I'm changing the options, and I want to see if the strategy is over optimized or not. So if I change the options, if the performance drops rapidly, that means the strategy were over optimized. And also I want to normalize the options. If this momentum works with simple, I prefer to use simple instead of exponential or some other option. And base price median, let's try with close to see what will happen, and simple. And the performance is okay, but I have here very big drawdown from 500 to 340 euro, and here also. And let's try to reset to default. No, it's not going well. Percent change changes its direction downward. This indicator shows the percent change of the price base price typical. Let's try it with close and period 90. False. Now looks better. Into the I use the default the value 10. I always prefer to use the default values of the indicators because this lowers the chance of the strategy to be over optimized. Now the strategy looks almost good. I'm only afraid of that 1000 euro drawdown here. What happened with the momentum? Momentum rises, false. Let's try without that indicator. No, it's not good. Okay, momentum. I return back with Control Z. This is undo. Momentum rises. Period 150. Additional smoothing. Why is that additional smoothing? Let's try without that. No, it's not working. Try with different options. 60. Period and additional smoothing. I don't like that. Let's increase. I think the maximum is 200 and set here 0. Simple. And price close. No. It's not working very well. Okay, now I will run the optimizer and I'll change only the momentum values because everything else is okay. I have here good values, almost standard. Bar opening means that I will not have ambiguous bars. And only I don't like this momentum because of this strange period and smoothing. And I'll go to optimizer. And here I'll select only momentum. I'll change period and smoothing. And let's start. I'll change smoothing from 0 to 150. And here from, let's be 20 to 120. No, must be above that, 160. And I will set steps of 10. Let's start the optimizer. What options I have in the optimizer? Full optimization, say strategy to collection. I forgot to set here a collection, but never mind. It put this optimized strategies in a new collection. The optimization was very fast and it improves the strategy, but I don't like this shape of the chart, so I can reset the strategy from here. This is better. How much is the drawdown? Maximum drawdown, where is that? I cannot see. Maximum equity drawdown 1,700 euro. No, it's too much. What to do? Here in settings, search best. Let's try to search best system quality number. And I will repeat this optimization, but I will reduce the steps to 5. So now the optimizer will not search the best net balance, but best system quality number. Let's try like that. And now keep the optimizer working, and I'll try with a different strategy. What symbol was that? USDJPY, okay, here. Let's see that one. What we have? Oh, it's very good. I have only 2 indicators and actually one. I have entered the pivot points and trailing stop. Let's see that strategy. Double click and I open the strategy in a new tab. The optimizer finished here, and the strategy looks much better. What I have 65 and 119. No, it's not good. Okay, I will leave that. Let's try to return. Can I return with undo? No, this is something color. This different strategy. No, this is Great Britain. Okay, I'll check that one. So what I have here, open 0.1 watt, maximum 0.4, adding. What will happen if I remove the adding? It here appear the drawdown. Okay, I leave it. Now it's very good. Okay, pivot point. Enter at support 2 line for long position, but I have vertical shift. I don't like that. If I remove the shift, no, it's not working. Cancel. And what I have, trailing stop, initial stop. I have here stop loss and take profit. Take profit. I have also take profit. So I simply can remove that, because when I have a take profit set here in the closing point of the position slot and take profit in strategy properties, the program executes the nearest take profit. So I can remove that trailing stop limit. I can simply set trailing stop and it will be the same. Here, new tick and new bar. For the backtester there is no difference, and the difference only for the trader. When we have a new bar, the trailing stop trails only if you have a better price for the new bar. That means the trailing stop trails once per bar. If you have a new tick, when the price, if you have a long position and the price going up, it will trail at every tick. But this is not very good for MetaTrader, because especially if you have adding, MetaTrader 4 opens several positions, and at every ticks it must send modification order to the broker. This is not good. I will leave it a new bar, and the initial stop loss is too high. I don't think this works. So let's reduce it to, let's try with 2000. It's same. 2000 is 200 pips. So what I'll do, I'll set here trailing stop instead of trailing stop limit, because I have trailing stop. I have a take profit here, and I'll set here 2000. Okay, and here take profit, let's try with 300. That means, but actually this trailing stop doesn't work at all, because the trailing stop has here 200 pips. So yes, 200 pips. That means when you open a long position, the program will set the trailing stop activation 200 pips above the position. And when the price starts going up, when it reaches 200 pips profit, the program will set the trailing stop at the break-even level, at the break-even price. But we have take profit 30 pips. Actually, I simply can remove that closing. I can set here nothing. If I set nothing, probably nothing will change. And I have a no indicator. Let's try with that. Where is that? No. Something changed because let's return back. Actually, we have here stop loss, and I will remove that trading stop, and I will use a simple stop loss. Okay, we see the same result here. Because of this take profit, the trading stop will not trail at all. So I have opening at pivot point and take profit, stop loss. The stop loss is is 200 pips below. If I try with lower, I see even now is better. But I have 4 ambiguous bars. It's not a problem because I'm using the pessimistic method. Okay, what to do? Let's try this pivot point indicator. I don't like this shift. What means vertical shift? Enter long at stop loss, base price 1 day. So actually this is the daily pivot points, and I have used previous bar value. That means the program calculates the pivot points from the previous day and selects the support 2 line and subtracts 122 pips. So the entry is 122 pips below the support, and actually this is this price is below the current below the support line of the previous day. And how can this strategy work? It waits the price to drop below the support 2 of the previous day, and also 122 pips below that, and opens long position. And after that it sets a stop loss even lower, 200 points, and sets 300 points take profit. Let's try to round this number. Let's try with 1000. No. Okay. I don't like this too much. It looks like very over optimized. Finding a good strategy is how to say, it's a long process, and it takes time and many trials. It looks okay, but I don't think this strategy will pass Monte Carlo. Let's first see the comparator, how it works, because I have 4 ambiguous bars. I'm going to comparator. The comparator will compare the all backtesting methods. Let's try. I don't see any difference. Very small. So these 4 ambiguous bars are not a problem at all. No problem. Let's see Monte Carlo. What will happen here? First, I will try with randomizing the historical data and the spread. Excellent. Not a problem at all. I see here one failed test. Let's start again. No, it looks good. Maybe not a problem with that. So the variable spread and the variable historical data are not a problem for this strategy. Let's try what will happen with this execution failures. They have a great impact sometimes. And now I switched on all simulations, all failures possible, and I don't see big problem. Even when all simulations are turned on, the strategy makes a profit because it starts from €1,000. Actually, it's not too bad. Let's try with variable historical data and execution failures. It's not too bad. Actually, this strategy may have some chance. And what to do? Okay, I will try this strategy on the market. Anyway, I will try this strategy for 1 month, and I will decide trade. I will see the performance for 1 month. Let's save that strategy. What is this? USDJPY. Okay. M15. I'll call that first. And I will try to make another one. Because I want 2 strategies per symbol. What happened with that one? Let's see the repository. That one. Hello, Ichimoku Kinkuhyu. ATR stop. That looks okay. Let's try it. I also have adding. I have stop loss and another stop loss. Smoothing period, multiplier. Maybe we don't need that one. But what is interesting, I don't have take profit. How the strategy closes the positions. These stop loss are only protections. I see we have a reducing. That means when we have an opposite signal, the strategy opens a position, and if there is a same direction signal, this is a signal where the entry conditions are satisfied in the same direction, the strategy adds watts to that position, 0.1 watt. But when we have a reverse signal, the strategy reduces. Actually, this is it looks good. I will remove this average to range stop. I'll put a regular stop loss. And how much to put? 300. It's not bad. This is in points. It's okay. Let's try without stop loss with my no indicator. Without stop loss is even better. Why is that? Because when the market reverses the direction, the strategy starts causing long lots, and after that it will open a short position. When the market reverses to uptrend, it will start causing the short positions, and after that will start opening long. It's very interesting. Do I need to put stop loss? It's a common practice to use always stop losses. Stop loss. How much to put? 500, 500, 550. Now it's okay. Let's keep that. And for actually I have here stop loss. I don't have take profit, so I can remove that one because the nearest stop loss wins. This is the problem will activate the nearest stop loss. Let's try with take profit. I see the charts becomes better with how much is this? 100 pips profit. Now it's even better. I don't like this drawdown here. Let's try with the 900. No, 1000, 1020, 200. Okay, hourly high low. We have vertical shift here. Enter long at the hourly high and the hourly low, and it selects a time between 4 and 10. What is that? Why is that? Let's try with I have, I think, high low indicator or something like that. What I have? Bar closing. Entry hour involves fractal. No. Actually, the problem will find the lowest price between 10 o'clock today or 10 o'clock yesterday and 4 o'clock this morning, and find the lower price, and after that we will subtract 350 pips from that price. No, this doesn't work very well. What I have for Ichimoku? It's above closing price. Chico span is above closing price. It's okay. The parameters looks well. What to do with that strategy? The balance looks very well. Let's try Monte Carlo. Here we have one failed, two. But the most of the tests with all simulations on are okay. This is the confidence table. So the initial balance is 6,000 euro. This is the net balance. This is the initial strategy. And according to these tests, we have 10% chance to make 4,000 euro. 25% to make 3,500 euro, and 60% chance to make 1,800. Now this is the final, the net balance. This is not the profit. We start from 1,000 profit and we finish with 1,800. So actually this is 800 euro profit, and the chance to make that is 60%. Let's run this again. I will remove that randomly closes position. Actually, I will remove this the execution failures. Let's try again. We have only randomization of the historical data and the spread, and I see everything's okay here. Actually, this strategy is not very bad. Let's try again with all simulations. One failed, two failed. This is almost a failure, but it recovers. What I don't like is that here from January 1st. Oh, it's okay. I have several 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 failures, and all other are okay. See the confidence table. It's almost the same. There is a 60% chance to make a €500 profit. It's not excellent, but what to have more? I'll keep it. Let's save it. USDJPY M15. Second, but I'll try to find a better. I'm not sure. I'll put here some symbols to know that I have to test it further. Okay, let's see what we have more. So I will try to arrange the strategies here in the repository by a system query number. These two strategies I already tested. Let's see what we have. Yeah, that looks very well. Cross hook, weak closing, accumulation distribution, take profit, no adding. Okay, I will check that one. Cross hook. It's okay, okay. Take profit. How much to take profit? Let's try with 1000. Here the general performance of the strategy is not too high, only 2,700 euro. If I increase the take profit, what will happen? Nothing. Actually, this is not too bad because I have reverse. That's why. Now when I have a long position, and after that the market changes and we receive the sell signal, the strategy reverses the position and we don't have adding. That's why the exit is not important. I think even if I set here no indicator, the performance will be similar. Okay, let's keep it weak closing. Weak closing must close our strategy, our position at the end of the week. But this indicator is more or less theoretical because it wants to close the position at 2400. But our broker stops trading before that. For my case, my broker closes the market at 2300. So I have to use a weak closing indicator, and here I can set when the strategy to close the position. So I will set 22.55 and it will close the position at Friday after 22.55. Accumulation distribution, signal shift, signal repeat, accumulation false. Alright, this false. Okay, and on balance volume also false. The strategy is okay. How is that? Let's see. I have here adding. No, I don't have adding. If I switch the adding, that's interesting. What I have here, if I remove the adding, it makes 2,700 euro, but if I turn on the heading, it makes 5,000, almost double, but it goes here to margin call. When is that? I see here in the dynamic information, it's on June 14. So for the last year, this strategy is very good. If add to position, how many times it add? Let's I will limit the adding up to one time, so it will open 0.1 watt, and I will allow one adding, because when I set here maximum position amount, the strategy is not allowed to open more than that number. And let's try with 3. It's the same. 4, 5. Or let's check without adding. It's same. Oh, I like that strategy. I'll keep that. And this will be my second strategy. So let's save it. Okay. So what happened? We have two strategy for USD GPI. This second, and where's my first strategy? Okay, I have two strategies for that market, and I will finish that episode. In the next episode, we will try to find strategies for Great Britain USD and USD Swiss franc. So, thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.